Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CONFLUX Network CFX Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets as we had a mini correction, but at the same time, a crazy pump. And today, this is the best day for CFX because it pumps a lot. Can we approach the target that we talked about around here, the 0.4230? It is very likely. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Third tier has everyday training, scalping strategy, personal guidance, educational videos, money guarantee back, and we are here every single day making profits, even with bearish, even with bullish market. Thank you for watching. Let's go right now to see the 0.4230. So CFX, what are we going to have? Possibly a very nice uptrend. We are expecting a mini correction for Bitcoin, so this might affect CFX price as well. But right now you can see that CFX is ready probably to surpass again the 0.3167, this line right here, and if we close above in the daily frame, then everything is over. We are going for sure towards the 0.4230. From where we are right now, this is another plus 20%. From this point right here, if you bought yesterday, this is another plus 45%. A crazy stuff from CFX. Very, very nice, very, very good. But what do we need to do? We have to close above the 0.3166 in the daily frame. To be honest with you, going to the lower time frames, we have multiple chances into visiting the 0.4230. I think that we are heading towards this target. But at the same time, I want to remind you about something. Okay, we have a very high risk in the weekly scale and the possible double top in the weekly scale, which means that if we cannot manage to close above the 0.3166 in the daily frame, so that means today it is very likely that we see a correction. Not only that, but we are approaching towards the weekly close and we might be seeing another correction as well. So you have to be extremely careful. For the time being though, everything is fine, everything is good. I do not think that CFX has something, I think that it doesn't have something bearish in the lower time frames. The stochastic RSI is not in an overbought, the RSI is not in an overbought here. The commodity channel index is a little bit in an overbought, but I do not see the commodity channel index for now. I focus more on the RSI. As I've made a video about the Bitcoin, you will see that possibly there is going to be a slight correction in the lower time frames right here. It is very possible, so you have to be a little bit careful with the lower time frames, but we are very, very close into closing above this line in the 4-hour frame. So look at that. We need to lose in the next 45 minutes a minus 9%, which I think it is very, very hard. Okay, everything can happen in crypto, but it is very, very hard. If you do not see that CFX is going to close above right here in the 4-hour frame, then exit the market immediately. If we do not close above right here in the 4-hour frame, exit the market. But I think that it is a little bit slightly impossible. Okay, you can see that already CFX is outperforming Bitcoin. That means that CFX is going upwards and in the 15-minute mark, and Bitcoin is going downwards. That means CFX against Bitcoin chart is very, very good, very, very nice for the lower time frames as well. So closing above in the daily frame right here, you have nothing to be afraid, you have nothing to lose. 0.4230 is going to come in, is going to kick in for the CFX. Closing below in another daily, then this means that you need to be careful. Correction is coming and we are going back down to retest the 0.2536. Not only that, we are going to retest the 0.2217. You need to be a little bit careful. I'm going to update you, of course, again. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.